Hi everyone, let's get started and see how this thing we are going to create look like. You see, the effect of the moving of the numbers is something that truly inspiring. So let's see how we can create that. So at first we need a new slide. In the new slide, we need this picture as a background. So we save the background. It's a background from Napoleon Bonaparte and it's a very great background. Let's add it. If I say a word wrong, it's because I'm from another culture and I don't really understand how these things work. So it's up to you to forgive me and I really beg for that. So after that, we need to create this text. So how we can create the text? It's just simple. You see here what this thing is created. This thing is important. You need to create a text bar and make it small and then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and that's all. Then select all of them, then increase the size to something like 400 and make the font Impact. Impact is one of the font that installed in your system, so don't afraid of that. Then bring the color you want in. I'm going to color it white. It's 1 here. Okay, the 1 is here. Then the next color, for example, 8, 1. Oh, sorry. Make a copy of that and put 8 here. And for example, 7 and 6. So the numbers are there and they are beautiful. You need to align them a little. It's up to you. Then there is the time that magic happened. You need to do what? You need to create a rectangle here and rectangle here. Then select both of them and set the fill to a slide background and no fill. Now you copy this slide and just simply you can do whatever you want with your numbers. For example, we are going to bring every one of them down, these 3 down, and this one to the top. Let me bring it to the top. Now bring this slide up and set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. You see the numbers are like flying, but there is a problem. The problem here is that these two things are, when you bring it down, it's going to create a problem. So we bring it here. Now let's take a look again. You see, it's pretty nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments.